morning students, Suprabhatam. Today we will learn grammar topic and the topic is verb introduction. Okay, in verb introduction we will learn first present tense. Okay, in English you know that present tense. In present tense which is, am, are, okay, do, does, have and has. But in Sanskrit present tense we have to use two tables. Okay, we have to remember two tables. Now, but before that we have to remember how to make table. Okay, now the topic is verb introduction, and in verb introduction we have to learn present tense. Okay, first tense we learn present tense. Present tense means vartman kaal. Okay, in Sanskrit we can say vartman kaal. Okay, now all verbs in Sanskrit, all verbs have three persons. Okay, all verbs have three persons. Means first person, second person and third person. First person in Sanskrit we can say Uttam Purush. In second person we can say in Sanskrit Madhyam Purush. Okay, and in third person we can say in Sanskrit Anya Purush. Okay, now first person means Uttam Purush, second person means Madhyam Purush and third person means Anya Purush. Okay, means Uttam Purush, Madhyam Purush and Anya Purush. Okay, you have to remember first person means Uttam Purush, second person means Madhyam Purush and third person means Anya Purush. You have to remember Sanskrit also. Okay, third person means Anya Purush, second person means Madhyam Purush and first person means Uttam Purush. Okay, now we will learn Vachan. Okay, Vachan. Vachan means what? In English you have remember that singular and plural. Okay, but in Sanskrit there are three types. First singular, second dual and third plural. Singular means ekvachanasya, dual means dvivachanasya and plural means bahuvachanasya. In singular form we use only one thing or one person. Okay, in dual means dvivachanasya we use only two person or two thing, not more than. Okay, and in plural we use only two or more than, three or more than we use plural. Okay, now singular one person one thing, dual two person two thing, plural three person or more than. Okay, singular means ekvachanasya, dual means dvivachanasya and plural means bahuvachanasya. Okay, you have to remember this in Sanskrit also. Okay, singular ekvachan, dual dvivachan and last plural bahuvachanasya. Okay, and also first person, second person and third person. Okay, first person means Uttam Purush, second person means Madhyam Purush and third person means Anya Purush. And in Vachan, singular means ekvachanasya, dual means dvivachanasya and plural means bahuvachanasya. Okay, now in verb, this is called verb. Chalati, vadati, hasati, okay, pathati, likhati. These all are called verbs. But main root, what is the main root of verb? Chalati, the main root of verb is chal. Okay, vadati, what is the main root? The main root of vadati means vada. Okay, verb hasati, and the main root of hasati is hasa. Okay, pathati, patha. Okay, chalati, chala. I hope you understand. First person, second person, third person, singular, dual and plural. Now we understand in present tense. First we learn present tense. Okay, present tense means what? Vartman kaal. Okay, present tense means what? Vartman kaal. In Vartman kaal there are two tables. You have to remember two tables. First table is called Parasmay Pad and second table is called Atmanepad. Okay, in present tense first table Parasmay Pad and second Atmanepad. Okay, first we see the table. Okay, present tense Vartman kaal Parasmay Pad. First ekvachanasya. So here we write ekvachanasya means singular, dvivachanasya means dual and bahuvachanasya means plural. Okay, here uttam purush. Okay, uttam purush means first person, madhyam purush means second person and anya purush means third person. Okay, you have to write table in this way. Okay, ekvachanasya, dvivachanasya, bahuvachanasya, uttam purush, madhyam purush and anya purush. Now in uttam purush ekvachanasya, dvivachanasya and bahuvachanasya we have to write me, vaha, maha. Okay, this thought is called aha means ha. Me, vaha, maha. In madhyam purush si, thaha, tha. In anya purush ti, taha, anti. You have to remember this table. Okay, ekvachanasya, dvivachanasya, bahuvachanasya, uttam purush, madhyam purush and anya purush. In present tense we have to remember this: me, vaha, maha, si, thaha, tha, ti, taha, anti. Okay, now we will learn in present tense atmanepad. Okay, atmanepad same ekvachanasya, dvivachanasya and bahuvachanasya, uttam purush, madhyam purush and anya purush. Okay, but the pratyay is called pratyay is different. E, vahe, mahe, se, ithe, ve, te, ite, ante. Okay, you have to remember both the tables. Okay, ekvachanasya, dvivachanasya and bahuvachanasya, uttam purush, madhyam purush and anya purush. With pratyay e, vahe, mahe, se, ithe, ve and last te, ite, ante. Okay, after remembering this table you have to know the MCQ. So how to write the answer of MCQ? Okay, so first you have to write this table 5 times. Okay, 5 times and 5 times. Okay, first I repeat. In present tense means Vartman kaal, ekvachanasya, dvivachanasya and bahuvachanasya. And here uttam purush, madhyam purush and anya purush. In present tense parasmay pad with pratyay me, vaha, maha, si, thaha, tha, ti, taha, anti. Okay, now in present tense also we have atmanepad. In atmanepad with pratyay singular, dual, plural, uttam purush, madhyam purush and anya purush. Now e, vahe, mahe, se, ithe, ve, te, ite, ante. Okay, now you have to write these tables 5 times so you remember. Okay, Now, according to this table, we have to learn MCQ. So, how to find the answer of MCQ? Okay. Now, first we have understand the MCQ. अधोदत्तेभ्यः. अधोदत्तेभ्यः means below. वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य. वर्तमान काल. See here, we have to learn वर्तमान काल. Okay. अधोदत्तेभ्यः वर्तमान काल. वर्तमान काल means present tense. उत्तम पुरुष means first person. एकवचनस्य means singular. अधोदत्तेभ्यः वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य रूपं चित्वा लिखत. So you have to find out the answer according to वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य. Okay. First वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य. So you have to find out उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य. उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन. First me and also e. Here e means a. Okay. In उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य there are two pratyay, me and e. Okay. You have to remember both the tables and you have to see the table. उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य. So see here उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य there is one pratyay me and उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य there is also one pratyay e means a. So you have to see लिखति, हसति, वदामि, चलन्ति. So here उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य. Where is उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य? Which pratyay? Me. So here you see me, ti, no. Okay. See, no answer. Me, yes. Why? उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य. In उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य there is one pratyay me. So you have to remember the word me. Where is me? So vadami. So here is the right answer vadami. And chalanti, okay, wrong answer. Now second MCQ. अधोदत्तेभ्यः वर्तमान काल अन्य पुरुष. वर्तमान काल अन्य पुरुष. Then अन्य पुरुष, okay, and बहुवचनस्य. So you have to see अन्य पुरुष एकवचनस्य no, द्विवचनस्य no, बहुवचनस्य. In बहुवचनस्य which pratyay? Anti and ante. You have to see both the pratyay. Okay. अन्य पुरुष बहुवचनस्य. अन्य पुरुष बहुवचनस्य which pratyay? अन्य पुरुष बहुवचनस्य. Anti and ante. Okay. Anti, ante. So which pratyay? Anti and ante. Pathati, no. Chalanti. Is it right or wrong? Chalanti, right. Dve, no. Chalatha, no. The right answer is B. Okay. So here me and a. Okay. Means the right answer is vadami. Why? Because the वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनस्य there is two pratyay me and e. So here the right answer is vadami. Okay. Here अन्य पुरुष बहुवचनस्य which word? Anti and ante. So we have to find out anti. Where is anti and ante? So here anti, chalanti. Okay. The right answer is B. Okay. You have to write this table 5 times. Now we come into third MCQ. वर्तमान काल मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचनस्य. Okay. वर्तमान काल means present tense. मध्यम पुरुष means second person and द्विवचनस्य means dual. So you have to remember table. मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचनस्य. मी, वह, मह. Okay. In मध्यम पुरुष सी, थह. So here थह and in आत्मनेपद ई, वहे, महे, से, इथे. Okay. Ithe. So you have to find out these pratyay. Okay. Thah or ithe. So we find व दे थे. See here, the right answer is व दे थे. चले, wrong answer. हसा मी, wrong. And खेलती, okay, wrong. Now in fourth MCQ, वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष एक वचनस्य. वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष एक वचनस्य means first person. उत्तम पुरुष means first person and एक वचनस्य means singular. So you have to first remember the table. Me in उत्तम पुरुष एक वचनस्य with प्रत्यय me and with प्रत्यय me and e means a. Okay, so which one with pratyay? Pathe. Okay, this one is right answer. Pathasi, wrong. Chalanti is right, wrong. And likhatah also wrong. Okay, the right answer is pathe because uttam purush ek vachanasya means me or e. Pratyay pathe. Now fifth MCQ, वर्तमान काल अन्य पुरुष एक वचनस्य रूपम. वर्तमान काल अन्य पुरुष means third person and एक वचनस्य means singular. Third person singular. Okay, अन्य पुरुष एक वचनस्य means मी, वह, मह, सी, थह, थ. अन्य पुरुष एक वचनस्य ती, तह, अंति means you have to find out ती and in आत्मनेपद ई, वहे, महे, से, इथे, द्वे, ते. So you have to find out ती प्रत्यय और ते प्रत्यय. This is the right answer. Okay, ती. You have to write only last word. Okay, हसतः, wrong. हसती, right. हसे, wrong. And hasat also wrong. Okay, now in sixth MCQ, वर्तमान काल मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचनस्य रूपम चित्वा लिख. मध्यम पुरुष means second person and द्विवचनस्य means dual. In second person and dual with प्रत्यय मी, वह, मह, सी, थह and e, वहे, महे, से, इथे. Okay, you have to find out this pratyay. पठसे, थह, इथे, wrong. Okay, चलथः, here this pratyay थह, so is it is right answer. चलथ, wrong. And पठन्ति also wrong. Now we come into 7 MCQ. वर्तमान काल अन्य पुरुष means third person and बहुवचनस्य means plural. Third person plural. बहुवचनस्य रूपम चित्वा लिख. अन्य पुरुष means third person and बहुवचनस्य means plural. तो with प्रत्यय मी, वह, मह, this is उत्तम पुरुष. सी, थह, थ, this is मध्यम पुरुष. And last अन्य पुरुष ती, तह, अंति. तो with प्रत्यय अंति. And in आत्मनेपद ई, वहे, महे, से, इथे, द्वे, ते, इथे, अंते. So here the pratyay is ante. So you have to find out the pratyay anti and ante from these 4 MCQ. Hasati, wrong. Hasatah, wrong. Vadante, is it right? Yes, right. And padhatha, wrong. Okay, now 8 MCQ. वर्तमान काल उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचनस्य रूपम चित्वा लिख. उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचनस्य. ओके, उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचनस्य with प्रत्यय मी, वह, मह. फर्स्ट मह. ओके, and in आत्मनेपद ई, वहे, महे. ओके, So you have to find out maha or mahe. Pathavah, is it right or wrong? Wrong. Mahasi, wrong. Hasamahe, see here the pratyay is mahe, so it is right. Chalanti is wrong. Okay. Now I hope you understand all the MCQ and present tense table. Now the homework is find out Uttam Purush Ekvachanasya. First you remember the table. Present tense Uttam Purush Ekvachanasya with pratyay me. Okay. You have to find out me and e. And here find out Anya Purush Bahuvachan. Me, vaha, maha, si, thah, tha, and ti, tah, anti. So you have to find out anti or ante pratyay. Okay, this is your homework, and you have to write in your notebook with clear handwriting.